Hey guys, good morning. Just got my cup of hot tea. I'm having Chinese chrysanthemum that I picked last year and dried. I love having my hot tea, especially now that's getting cooler in the morning. Some of you may know that there's been a fire going on in LA, and for those of you who reached out to me, thank you so much. And I have, directly told you guys that I'm okay, and the way I'm affected by it is nothing compared to the people who's actually, close to that area, people who've been evacuated, the people, the animals, the nature, plants, their homes. So I'm really sending my good thoughts and prayers to them. I hope that they'll recover soon. And but that's just, unfortunately, the thing we get, living in Southern California. In the heat of summer, the dry heat really just, the wildfires tend to break out, even though sometimes it's not always caused by nature. But anyway, I kind of just want to touch on the things I like to do, even though I'm not like near the fire site at all, because the air circulates, we get Santa Ana winds, and stuff just kind of blows everywhere. Whenever I do smell smoke or things like that, which I don't on this fire luckily, I would just keep the windows in the house shut. But as far as outside goes, because I grow some of a portion of my food in this tiny garden, I want to be more careful when the air quality is poor, when there's debris being blown around, due to the fires. So on a regular day, sorry about that, don't even bother washing the leaves when I come around, like go around foraging. I just pick them off the plants to eat, just because I know what I use on my plants. I grow organically. I don't use any chemicals, and besides, eating, getting a little bit of that dirt in my mouth is actually good for my gut. Yeah, as long as I'm not, if the soil isn't contaminated, it's actually, this bacteria is actually good for my gut. It's good for my immunity. But when there's a fire going on, what I actually like to do is hose down the plants really well. And of course, the ones that are babies or tiny ones, I would want to use the mist to kind of, the mist setting to make sure I don't damage any new growth, and any delicate plants. But other than that, I really try to give them a good shower, a good rinse, so that I can clean them up before I harvest them, especially. Hear the birds? The air just feels so much cleaner and lighter now. My plants are clean and safe for me to eat. Oh, so crispy and refreshing. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys like to do too when you encounter situations like these. Hopefully you don't encounter them that very often at all. But yeah, anyway, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. I'd love to have you back here again very soon. You can also follow me on social media, where I do instant updates of my life, which you don't get on this channel. If you guys want like some plants for your garden, I would love for your support to go check out my website, which I do offer some rare, plants and herbs and things like that I grow. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I shall see you guys here right back very soon. Have a safe and lovely day. Bye.